Hey, good afternoon, traders. What we're currently looking at is the USD cross JPY. It's on a 5-range chart. And we're using the dashboard and the NDT trade execution platform. And what we're looking for is the dashboard to signal an alert. When the alert flashes, we know that all of the independent variables that we need to obtain a successful trade are aligned. Then we look to the chart and look for a red dot to appear intra-candle to get into the trade. And you'll see how easy it is. Now, I have the chart open, but we don't even need the chart to really be open. All we would need to do is watch the dashboard, watch for an alert, and we could have 8, 9, 10 Forex markets. This is our background bias. This tells us that multiple higher time frames are aligned to the downside. Our quant line tells that quantitative markets are pulling money out of the USD JPY. Now, right now, you see the alert is flashing. So what we're waiting now is for a red dot to appear. It'll appear intra-candle. Give us plenty of time to take the trade. There's the dot. Actually, this is occurring as a cross. It should be formatted as a dot, and we'll do that. Now, as soon as you see that, with the alert flashing, you're going to hit sell on a down close. This is going to get you into the trade one tick below the close of this candle. Just have to wait for the trade. You have the alert. You have the intra-candle signal for an entry short at the close of the candle to the downside. The trade is maturing. And if the candle closes to the upside, it will automatically cancel the trade. And if the market's moving slow, just have to wait. As long as the alert is flashing and the red dot is here, we hold the trade. Remember, you can be watching multiple markets.
Order filled.
The order just filled. is slow. Now, an alert took us into the trade. Should be formatted as a red dot. We could format them as red crosses and to the short side, green crosses to the upside, or green X's, red X's. Now our stop is one tick above the close of the entry candle. There we go. There we go. We're getting some static in the trade. Here's our first target. There's our second target. Our trailing stop's engaged. It's all automatic.
Stop filled.
Right. And the trade just closed. So now we'll scale the trade. From the entry candle to the low was 13 pips. A moderate sized move on this system. Oftentimes we'll get 20 and 30 pip moves. The amount of money you made depends upon the number of lots you're trading. Now, you're going to see this happen throughout the day on multiple markets, depending upon how many you're trading. Dashboard alert, open the chart, development of the short alert, hit the NTD, sell on a down close, trades engaged. You need to do nothing more. I'm just going to close that. You need to do nothing more with the trade. Our automatic trade management strategy, our ATM, takes over. At first target, you go to break even. At second target, we're on a 5 pip trailing stop. Maximum profit on the trade is 30 pips. In which case the trade is closed, and that would be a beautiful move to get a 30 pip trade. Now we have multiple opportunities on multiple markets to take these trades, and you're going to see if you have multiple dashboards, you're going to get multiple alerts. The best thing to do is to keep the chart closed, or if you trade two primary markets, wait for the alert, then wait for the signal. If it's red, obviously you're taking a short. If it's green, you're taking a long, and obviously we trend trade. This is the 50 SMA is down, our proprietary 15 is down. Obviously, we only want to trade to the downside. That's a red X. We're going to format them as dots, and you're going to take that trade to the downside for a very, very nice win. So I hope you see exactly how the dashboard is utilized and how powerful it is for monitoring multiple markets for really superlative entries.